In 8 years of being in the wedding industry full time, I have never seen anything as amazing as this.
As a mother, I can only appreciate so dearly what she has done for my son, that this is just a small thank you for everything. Thank you.
A few weeks ago, one of Miami's best and most respected wedding planners, Lourdes Million, along with her amazing team, put together a wedding day giveaway to basically gift the couple a planning service. They wanted to help a special couple that was or has kind of gone through a real life hardship and are in true position of need. So I started seeing all of her Instagram live stories and her broadcast about the process. In what seemed to be like overnight, she had a long list of vendors on board with her to also gift their service for the wedding. And as the weeks went by and her updates kept coming, more and more local vendors jumped on board. And now we're at the point where the wedding is practically fully covered, including a venue, which my good friends over at Curtis Mansion are so generous to gift. Also, all in all, they received over 100 letters from different couples positioning their hardships, and it was a heartbreaking and touching process for Lourdes and her team to sort them all. God bless you. But they did. They narrowed it down to 3 amazing stories, and they've been sent to all the different vendors involved. And today, right now, we're about to go and surprise the chosen couple to let them know that their wedding is going to be taken care of. Let's do it.
Okay guys, this is it. We are so excited. We're almost there. We're heading to meet our winning couple, and we can't wait to share the big news with everyone else. This is why I had to work late for you guys.
That's Milo. He doesn't do anything. Oh my God!
Congratulations!
Oh my God!
We're Ladies and Caro, and we're from the Card Cottage, and we're doing your invitations and stationery.
Great. I'm Cuban Pete. I'll be rolling cigars for you guys. Most definitely.
He actually has a cigar blog.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Cool. I'm Veto's brother, and I'll be drinking a lot of that Patron.
Oh, that's right, the Patron.
My name is Angel. I'll be doing the flowers for your wedding. So, thank you, Angel. You're welcome.
My name is Barbara, and I'm Veronica's mom and Adrian's second mom. And this is Veronica's second mom. Yes.
Yes. And I'm Evelyn, the mom of the groom. We're getting involved. And this is Milo. Hi, Milo. Milo.
So I'm Grace. I'm your face by Grace. I've actually known Vero and Adrian for about 7 years now, and never in a million years would I think that this craziness would happen. And I'm so excited and happy to share this amazing experience with all these vendors and making your dream come true, guys.
I'm Martha, and I'm going to be your photographer.
My name is Glenn Gold, and I'm doing the laser lighting and your confetti blizzard, and I'll be working alongside this guy who's going to be doing your entertainment.
I'm Josh Rubin with Event Factor. We're going to make sure people are dancing all night with awesome DJ services. You guys have a spectacular, memorable night for the rest of your lives.
Hi, we're with Curtis Mansion. We're your venue.
I toured that.
No way! You guys went there?
They were the first venue.
It was meant to be.
I feel like this is not real.
It's real, sister.
It's gonna hit her probably tomorrow or the next day.
All right.
We're kicking off a super special chapter in your lives. We are so excited to be here and be part of it. Thank you for allowing us to raid your home. You're always welcome. Thank you for allowing us to come and make a mess. It's fine. But we couldn't be more thrilled. You guys have inspired all of us, and we couldn't be more thrilled to be a part of your day and a part of your lives.
Thank you so much. Thank you guys very, 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 very much. Eternally grateful for this, honestly.
Everybody in. If not Aaron,
Aaron will work, right?
I got 3 days of chemo coming up. I have 2 weeks of hospital stay. Things are gonna get a little fuzzy. But in the back of my mind, there's a lot to look forward to thanks to you guys. And I'm blessed that you guys were able to do this for us.
Well, you did this for yourself with that one incredible story that you submitted.
She's my story.
Well said.
I can't hold the phone. I'm crying.
You know what I loved so much though about their stories was that when you wrote in your letter, you talked about how much the two of them deserved it, which was what you would expect from a mom. And then when I got your letter, you talked about how much his family and he deserved it, and nothing about yourself. And then when you wrote your letter, it was about how much your family and Veronica deserved it.
And his sister too,
And
right?
his sister, yeah. But yeah, your sister too. Everyone was writing for the other people involved, and no one thought about themselves in this process.
Because we're all seeing it from a different perspective.
Yeah,
As a
of
mother,
course.
I'm looking at not just the love that I see between the two of them, I'm seeing obviously the struggles that he's been going through. But like he said, nobody understands what Veronica has been through. Because literally, he was in New York for 5 months getting treatment. And during these 5 months, you know, they have a home that they maintain. He wasn't working. So she had to work to maintain the, you know, pay the bills. So she's a registered nurse. I mean, she's dealing with sick people in the hospital, and she has to be on her A game when she's with patients because they deserve nothing less. But at the same time, she's worrying about him who's in New York. And so she, as a nurse, works 3 days a week. She's also going to school because she's finishing her degree to become a nurse practitioner, getting her master's. Hopefully by next May she graduates. There were many times during this process that she would say, I have to quit, I can't, it's too much. It's like, no, you're not gonna quit. He's got a whole team behind him, so you need to continue your course and you need to finish school. So she was juggling 3 days of work, 1 day of school, and flying back and forth. I mean, we probably accumulated a lot of miles, frequent flyer miles, because we literally, she would get out of her shift at 8, 9 o'clock at night, head to the airport, fly in at midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning in New York City, be there for 2 or 3 days, fly back to Miami to go back to school, go back to work. As a mother, I can only appreciate so dearly what she has done for my son, that this is just a small thank you for everything.